alleged sacrilege cases in Punjab, one in Amritsar, one in Kapurthala. In both cases, the persons accused of sacrilege have been killed. Now, the IG of Jalandhar has spoken to Republic a short while ago, and he has confirmed that the case in Kapurthala at least is not a matter of sacrilege. He says an FIR has been registered and an investigation is underway, but there is no evidence of sacrilege. Let's listen in.
There was a social media video uploaded by one Amarjeet Singh, who has a Gurdwara Sahib there in Kapurthala district, which falls under police station Kotwali. The name of the village is Badshahpur. Based on that video, police came to know. Police went inside, and it was reported by Amarjeet that this person came with the intent of, that person said that came with the intent of sacrilege. Though he himself stated that as far as Gurdwara Sahib is at the first floor and house is at the ground floor. So there is nothing, there was no chhed-chhad or something with Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji or the Sukhasan room where Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is placed at night.
So nothing of this sort thing has happened, which is disrespect.
I would like to add that he said that on Nishan Sahib, there was an event that he saw him doing something at the lower end of the Nishan Sahib. Till now, there is no physical event which can be attributed to a sacrilege. But since the caretaker of the Gurdwara Sahib, Amarjeet Singh, Baba Amarjeet Singh, he has stated so. Based on his statement, we have registered one FIR, number 305, under section 295A of sacrilege. In the meanwhile, because of it became an emotive issue because of video of that fellow Amarjeet Singh. More than 200 people gathered. They were armed also, means like having swords and all. SSP's Kapurthala was inside. Small police party was also inside. But in that all emotive issue, the person whom they were holding in captivity, he also has been killed.
So there you've heard the IG of Jalandhar telling Piyush that there was no evidence to indicate that there was sacrilege in the Kapurthala incident. He narrated the sequence of events that led to the killing of the person who was accused. We have Amandeep joining us. Amandeep, these are big revelations being made by the IG Jalandhar. In the Kapurthala case, at least, there was no evidence of sacrilege, is what he has said. What is your take on this?
Well, very true, Ankit. The point is that preliminary investigation done by the Kapurthala police reveals that there is no such evidence of alleged sacrilege attempt with Nishan Sahib. And in fact, if I reveal the sequence of the event since morning, it's 4 a.m. when Baba Amarjeet Singh posted a video on social media that they have detained a person who is allegedly attempting a sacrilege with Nishan Sahib in Gurdwara of Nizampur village in Kapurthala. And in fact, he invited the people to come and join us just because the detained person will not be handed over to police. He will be treated with the Sikh organizations. And meanwhile, at 7 a.m., SSP Kapurthala reveals that they has been standing outside the Gurdwara and in fact asking the Baba Amarjeet Singh to kindly hand over the person to them so that the investigation should be followed. This is the statement of SSP Kapurthala standing outside the Gurdwara. But after that, he was, in fact, the body later on, the body was handed over to SSP Kapurthala and the local police, and then the body was shifted to mortuary. So this was the sequence of the entire day in Kapurthala, and in the evening when the preliminary investigation has been done, so another revelation by IG Jalandhar range. So minute by minute and hour by hour, there are certain facts that has been unfolded in this entire incident. And in fact, now the Home Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, has already constituted SIT for Golden Temple incident. And in fact, they are also looking into the matter of Kapurthala as well, just because IG was very much clear on that incident that this was the part of preliminary investigation. They also have registered the FIR following the complaint of Baba Amarjit Singh, and the matter is under investigation. Further, the investigation will be carried out in a very professional manner. But so far, the evidence they have and the evidence they did not have, everything was on on the entire statement. So this is how the both in fact yesterday and today, these are the 2 days that how the attempts of sacrilege has been made in Golden Temple as well as Kapurthala. So now the entire matter is being investigated by state police, and even Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi alerted that there are certain kind of elements who try to create the law and order situation in Punjab through these kind of incidents, and also requested the local people to remain on alert so that any untoward incident can be avoided. And meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, who is having the home portfolio also, he has alerted the border villages who are actually located on the international border, sounded the alert, beefed up the security, and also requested them to kindly install the CCTV cameras, and they should be very operational so that any incident with a similar manner can be recorded on CCTV. Yes, Ankit.